Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Thought I'd give you a quick Florence update for this evening. So this is the visible satellite image, so you can see still very impressive looking storm system. The center yesterday was right here near Wilmington. It has moved to about here, so it's barely moved, but the rain shield has started to enter our area, so you've noticed probably outside it's been very windy with off and on showers. We've seen about an inch of rain across much of the greater Charlotte area with huge amounts of rain down to our south and east. The storm is barely moving. It's moving westward. You can't even tell on this image, but it's moving slowly westward at only about 3 or 4 miles per hour. So slowly the system will propagate to the west and eventually to our west as it travels north over the day tomorrow. So don't be fooled. We've only seen about an inch of rain so far, but there is a lot more rain to come. Here's what the radar looks like. So this gives you a better idea. You can kind of see where the center is. So Myrtle Beach it's west of Myrtle Beach, and it's going to slowly move west towards the northwest, kind of moving over towards Columbia, and eventually moving up I-26, that general direction to our west. So you can see the heaviest bands of rain are, as I have been saying over the last couple of days, are always to the north and east of the center. So this section over here. So as the storm moves westward, it's going to take this slug of rain and it's going to move it over us overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. So today we've just been in these lighter bands of rain that have rotated through a couple bursts of heavier rain. But the really heavy rain, you see all this stuff that's over here in southeastern North Carolina, that will come rotating through tonight as the center moves westward, and that's when the really heavy rains will accumulate. This shows you the computer's idea of what's going to go on. So here's the current position of the storm right in the kind of the western part, west of Myrtle Beach, kind of eastern South Carolina. Over the next few hours, it's just going to kind of slowly drift towards the west-northwest and be kind of centered near Columbia by around 8 to 10 o'clock tonight. And then it's going to slowly drift northward and westward and eventually kind of be between Charlotte and Greenville, Spartanburg. And this is tomorrow morning around 11 a.m. and then by tomorrow afternoon and then eventually tomorrow evening it lifts through the mountains and again we'll be on the eastern side during that time frame. So if you look at accumulated precipitation, so over the next few hours maybe another half an inch of rain or something like that, but the rain really starts ramping up overnight tonight. So this is by like 11, 12, 1 in the morning. This is by 8 a.m. So the potential is there to see 2, 3, 4, 5 inches of rain overnight tonight. And then through the day tomorrow, you see we tack on several more inches of rain as we head into Monday morning. So the models are still projecting us to see somewhere between 6 and 10 inches of rain across much of this area with some isolated pockets, as you can see, greater than 10 inches of rain. This graphic, last two graphics were just released about 10-15 minutes ago. This is from the Weather Prediction Center. So this shows you the area of their greatest concern, high risk, greater than 50% chance of flash flooding. So from the Charlotte metro all the way down to the coast. Some of the rain totals down here in the southeastern part of the state are incredible. Over 30 inches of rain in some of these locations, which have surpassed the largest rainfall total in one day set back by Hurricane Floyd back in the day. So you can see people keep messaging me, oh, it's barely rained today. Well, trust me, the heavy rain is coming tonight and tomorrow. And this graphic just came out. This is rainfall totals from, if you see here down, from 8 p.m. tonight through 8 p.m. Sunday. So this is the next 24 hours starting in about 3 or 4 hours from now, going until 8 p.m. So this orange area is 6 to 10 additional inches of rain from basically the mountains through Charlotte all the way back down to the coast. So these areas that have already seen 30 inches of rain are slated to get another 10 to 15 inches of rain. This is going to be incredible historic flooding in these areas, and I suspect we're going to start to see problems in and around our area overnight tonight and during the day tomorrow. So don't let your guard down. Expect another 6 to 10 inches of rain through the night tonight and throughout the day tomorrow into Monday morning. I think we're still going to have some rain around, so we're in for a very, very wet period. So I'll have another update either later tonight or tomorrow morning. Take care, everybody.